Got it. It's touched the wide well. There's an appeal behind, and up goes the finger. He chased a wide delivery. Oh, didn't need to do that. Thinking of taking the review. Now that's a little alright wayward. This one's directed onto the stumps. Batsman.
Leading edge. Is he going to be safe? Yes, he is.
Just backup length allows the batter a couple of comfortable looking runs. That leaves some nerves. Just drifting enough on the leg side. Edged it, and it's gone straight to hand. Cut the outside part of the bat, straight to the slip fielder, and another one falls. The new batter in, left-handed batsman, just 22 years old. Didn't know very much about that. The inside part of the bat. Well, that's not going to find the. Tucks it away. That's short. That's pulled away. That's the last shot is going to. It's coming at the moment, depending on the angles. Making room. It's up in the air. Now that's going to be taken by someone, and it is. They were really feeling the heat and
Takes the catch. It was almost off the splice of the bat.
Yorker length squeezed out.
The case of poor display, live.
Allowing the batsman to rotate strike. Nicely stopped. On the legs.
If you don't, then the pressure builds up. It's short and puts away. It's a really good piece of timing, and even better, the feeling will probably. Yep, confirmation. Good running.
Tashkil Ahmad has got all of this. It's into the crowd, in fact, second tier.
6 of the first delivery, 6 to finish the over.